Is Salesforce Data Cloud the right choice for your business? Here we are going to bust some myths that are being around. Salesforce Data Cloud is only for large enterprises. Vishwajit.
That is so wrong, very wrong. It's not like that. So, it's not only for the large enterprises itself only. The more data points, the more touch points you have with your business, the better it is to, be able to utilize that information for providing the great customer experience and deliver the right personalization, and that too at, the level that you are not doing right now. So it's not like that. Data Cloud is for all enterprises. It's not only for large. It can be utilized by a small organization as well. They can use it.
In fact, the small organizations can use more of it because they would not want to spend or invest more into people managing the data,
Yes.
because that's a tedious task and very and of a low reliability when it comes to people. When a tool like this can actually manage your data the right way and tell you the right insights, you would want a tool like this rather than scaling your organization and letting people manage all of those things.
So I just got one of the scenario that we were covering, that we are covering in that, that e-commerce implementation. So the particular customer is facing one scenario. They are not that big. They are pretty, I would not say small, but they are medium sector itself only. So they are running through a scenario where they were facing earlier some issue about the shipping information itself only. They were not able to identify like why some of the customers which are purchasing a lot of items are not purchasing this particular category items. So what they identified once we implemented Data Cloud for them, which is in the UAT session right now, they identified like a lot of customers go to the product, view it, add it to its cart, they do the checkout process, but on the shipping page itself only, they invest 1 minute or 2 minutes, and then they simply drop the idea. So they got to know about it, okay, something is wrong over there. And the Data Cloud help us identify that. Then they got to know about it, the shipping price is not being calculated correctly for certain geolocations. So they had actually first aligned some individual to test that, but that particular individual could not test all the geolocation. That is quite, simple itself only. So for that scenario, they use Data Cloud, and for them, it really turned out well. So they are really grateful about it. They were earlier not into the, idea of implementing it, but once we kind of give them the idea, and then they also saw some of the capabilities of it, they implemented it. Yeah.
Next myth that we would like to bust is Salesforce Data Cloud is too complex to use. Is it really?
No.
It's all point and click, no code, low code platform. So
Yes.
how is it complex? All right, Salesforce Data Cloud is only for sales teams. Absolutely not. It can drive a lot of decision making for you, whether be it sales, service, marketing, commerce, or literally the insights of your customers for the business leaders. So it's not just for sales teams. Next comes Salesforce Data Cloud is not secure. We've already discussed the reasons why it is secure and how it is secure. So you should not think about this anymore. Salesforce Data Cloud is only for CRM. No, it can collect data from any of the platform that you would want it to, and it can drive the necessary analytics or necessary predictions or necessary actions based on the data that it collects from any of the platforms.